should be compensating the state.
Good morning.
For in particular,
I am on my way again.
Can argue that the elephant.
It's a little bit very cold this morning, I can tell you, and it's very foggy. And as you can see, I've got a different angle today because of my blue tag. I can move the phone all over the place, the camera. So I am now not as far as I hoped I was going to be yesterday. But this is the journey it takes. I do try to go by what my body is capable of and not push myself past anymore. Just because of sheer willpower. So I had a really good night's sleep, and now the road is very foggy, it's very cold, and I am on my way to Adelaide, where I'm going to be at lunchtime. That's the planned stand anyway. I have spent last night with a lady. I pulled into her driveway. She is an old lady. She's 90 years old. And she is my husband's aunt. And she doesn't hear anything anymore. She used to love music, and now she is tone deaf and she doesn't able to listen to music. And it really, being with her made me reflect on how old age is creating all sorts of issues for different people, and how she lives a really fulfilled life, and she's happy on her own, and she's active, and she does things, and she reads, and she has got television which talks to her, like in writing. And what I noticed is that when you are with people like this, you either disconnect and you go into your room because you can't, it's very hard to communicate with them, or you really connect in being right there and trying to understand. And I found her really inspiring. She has the sparkle in her eye, and that's there, and she lived a life. I'm letting this big truck go by because it's so foggy and I am scared to drive 100 in this fog. Alright, so I let you all go past. You kill the kangaroos for me as you go, and I follow you at your tail. So I think that's probably a fairer thing to do. Now I just have to catch up with them. Yes, so we all gotta be old. And when you are past 50, you most likely have lived more than what we're going to live. And we're all heading towards our old age, and we're going to encompass in our old age what is there for us. And it might not be the hearing, it might be the eyesight, it might be whatever, or it might be nothing, but we don't know. So I'm very grateful for meeting people along the way who are reminding me of that we are